Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to translate any type of document using Deepl. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the File folder icon located at the center of your screen. This icon is your gateway to accessing all the documents stored on your device that you'd like to translate. It's designed to make the process quick and straightforward so you don't have to navigate through multiple menus. Once you tap that icon, you'll see a list of your available documents. Browse through and choose the specific document you want to translate, then tap on it to select it. This could be a PDF, Word document, or any other supported file type that Deepl can process. Selecting the right file is important because it determines what content will be translated. After selecting your document, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll see an option that says Detect Language. Tap on this option to open a menu where you can select the current language of your file. This step is crucial because it tells Deepl what language your document is written in, allowing the system to accurately process and translate the content. Make sure you select the correct source language to ensure the best translation quality. Next, you'll need to specify what language you want your document translated into. Tap on the Other Language option, which should also be located at the bottom of the screen. A list of available languages will appear, and from there you can choose your desired target language. Deepl supports a wide range of languages, so whether you need English, Spanish, German, French, or many others, you'll find the option you're looking for. Now that you've set both your source and target languages, the app will begin the translation process. You'll need to wait a moment while Deepl works its magic. The time this takes depends on the length and complexity of your document, but the system is generally quite fast and efficient. During this time, Deepl's advanced AI is analyzing your text and providing accurate translations. Once the translation process is complete, you'll be able to see the fully translated version of your document right on your screen. You can now review the translations, save it, or share it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully translated your document using Deepl, making it easy to work with content in multiple languages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.